social stratification and social class.
Definition: the general system of ranking people into hierarchical layers in society based on factors like wealth, power, status, education, gender, or race. A specific form of stratification based mainly on economic position, occupation, and income, where groups share similar life chances.
Scope:
Broad, includes all forms of inequality, economic, social, cultural, political. Scope: narrower, focuses mainly on economic inequality and occupational grouping.
Basis of division:
Multiple dimensions: class, caste, race, gender, ethnicity, power, prestige, religion, etc. Primarily economic resources, occupation, and sometimes education.
Mobility:
Depends on the type of stratification system. Caste equals closed. Class equals open with some mobility. More flexible. Allows upward or downward mobility depending on education, income, and opportunities.
Group consciousness:
Not always necessary. People may be ranked without forming a collective identity, for example, status groups, castes. Stronger tendency toward collective identity and class consciousness, especially in Marxist theory.
Stability versus change:
Seen as a structural feature of all societies. May persist across generations, hereditary systems. Stability versus change. More dynamic. Classes can shift as economies and occupations change. Examples: caste hierarchy in India, racial segregation in South Africa, gender inequality worldwide. Examples: upper, middle, and working classes in capitalist societies.
Theoretical focus:
Studied broadly in sociology through functionalist, conflict, and Aberian perspectives as a system of inequality. Studied more in depth in Marxist and Aberian theories as economic and political groups driving social change. Nature: a descriptive concept of how society is structured. A more analytical concept about how economic groups operate within stratification. In short,
social stratification is the umbrella concept covering all forms of hierarchy in society, while social class is one specific type of stratification focused mainly on economic differences.